Ever wonder how we uncover the mysteries of the universe and the hidden details of life? Let's discover the telescope and the microscope, two amazing tools that open entirely different worlds. Telescope and microscope are both optical instruments, but they serve very different purposes. So, what's the difference? Let's get into deep description. First up, the telescope. This tool is our window to the universe. A telescope is an instrument that magnifies and focuses distant objects, helping us observe celestial bodies like stars, planets, and galaxies. It works by collecting light or electromagnetic radiation using lenses, mirrors, or both to create a magnified image. Now, let's zoom in to the word of microscope. A microscope is a scientific instrument designed to magnify and view objects that are too small to be seen clearly by the naked eye. It allows scientists, researchers, and students to study the detailed structure of tiny specimens such as cells, bacteria, and other microorganisms. This instrument helps us see objects that are too small for the naked eye, like cells, bacteria, and tiny crystals. Uses of a telescope: astronomy, exploring stars, galaxies, and planets. Second, navigation, used to aid in sea and space exploration. And third, scientific research, studying cosmic phenomena like black holes and the origins of the universe. Uses of a microscope: biology, studying cells, tissue, and microorganisms. Second, medicine, diagnose disease by examining blood, tissue, or bacteria. Third, material science, observing the structure of materials like metal and polymers. And fourth, education, teaching students about the microscopic world. Now we are talking about some difference about telescope and microscope in a brief summary. Let's talk about focus. Telescope for using distant objects, and the microscope using very small and close objects. If we're talking about magnification, telescope usually lower compared to microscope but designed for long range magnification. In microscope, high magnification to study minute details. Purpose: in telescope to observe distant objects like stars, planets, and galaxies. In microscope to observe tiny objects that are too small to see with the naked eye, such as cells and microorganisms. Lens optics: in telescope, large objective lens or mirror to collect light from far away objects. In microscope, small objective lens to focus on tiny specimens. Light source: in telescope uses natural light such as starlight or sometimes radio waves or other electromagnetic waves. In microscope often uses artificial light, example lamp or LED, to illuminate the specimen. Field of views: telescope wide for observing large areas of space. In microscope narrow, focused on small detail. Uses: in telescope, astronomy, space exploration; in microscope, biology, material science, and nanotechnology. Now, if we say in brief summary, a telescope looks outward into space, focusing on distant, large scale objects. A microscope looks inward at the microscopic world, focusing on the tiny details all around us. These are maybe different, but they share one goal: to fuel our curiosity and help us understand the universe from the vast to the tiny. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating discoveries.